Hi everyone, my name is Ramzi Ghurani, Managing Partner of Petra Insurance Brokers. Today I want to talk to you about something interesting, which is classic car insurance. Now, we get a lot of requests for classic cars, and it's a bit of a shady area in terms of what is covered, what is not covered. We get a lot of confusion from the market, and we get a lot of frustration from clients as well. But we've been able to insure classic cars, and I'm going to go into a bit as to why it's a bit of a struggle to get it done, and what are some of the challenges, and how we can help you getting it done properly and at the right premium, and that, of course, if there's ever a claim, you're covered. So you have to understand, classic car insurance is a bit of a gray area, because what is a classic car? One of the main struggles is appraising the car. What is the right value? A lot of the clients have sentimental value, which is nice, but it doesn't mean that it's covered in terms of the value of sentiment. It's more of actually what's the actual value. If it were to be a total loss, what is the value? Sentiment cannot be provided as as a claim. So one thing is appraising the real value of the car, determining that it's an actual classic car. And of course, with this, there's a lot of prices that may vary, and prices may start at a certain price, and then of course, if it's a top-notch classic car, the value goes up. And as we see a lot of clients that actually invest assuming that the car will appreciate and not depreciate, which is a science of its own. So that's why you have to go between the insurance broker and the insurance company, and we, as insurance brokers, we deal with the insurance company to negotiate on the client's behalf to make sure they're getting the proper fit. One of the reasons that challenges that we have with classic car insurance is that there's more care and maintenance. Parts are very important. New parts are required a lot of the time, and sometimes the brake pads, the brakes, certain parts of the car that is a classic car, although it's in mint condition or well maintained, may have certain parts that are old, like brakes, and that could lead to potential accidents and claim. And so a lot of the insurance companies, unless there's a proper survey done, refuse to insure it or provide a really high premium, which becomes uninsurable for you guys as clients, and for us as brokers, we're not able to even come to a client with a proper proposition, if you will. So the first thing you should always do is, of course, go to a broker that you trust, the broker that is absolutely there in the market to know what they're negotiating on, and to be able to provide you the clarity that is required to get you what you want, and to give you the peace of mind when it comes to insuring your classic car. So one of the major things that we can help with as brokers is the valuation, not just when you take out the policy originally, but also throughout the life cycle of the insurance policy with the car over years. And that we do need help from the clients to help us, guide us with what is the valuation, because they know best. They have their friends, they know their assets very well. And then we negotiate that with the insurance company year on year to get the right value for the car. Something that's very important in terms of a classic car is covering parts. And of course, very important, the right garage. You don't want to take your classic car anywhere. It has to be specifically, and it has to be agreed on at the beginning of the policy. And that's where we come in as brokers to help out with that. As Petra Insurance Brokers, we've insured vehicles such as 1960s Mustangs, Ferrari, Special Edition Lamborghinis, among many others. And we're very proud of that. And it's something we had to work hard with the insurance company to agree on that relationship. So if you need any help with classic cars or insurance in general, please get in touch with us, and we're here to help at all times. Thank you very much.